Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be creating a rubber door stopper. It's going to be kind of similar to this one, except we're going to make our own version. All right, we'll go ahead and load the Design Spark mechanical. We'll go to File, New, and then create a new design. Let's go here. We're going to make this flat by hitting the plan view or V on the keyboard. And now we need this to be 5 inches. I'm going to turn on snap to grid by checking that box right there. And then we want this to be 5 inches. So in order to convert inches into millimeters, just want to do 5 and then type IN, hit enter, and then it's going to go over here. Now the height on these is going to be 30. It's supposed to be, let me see, I actually took a picture. We'll go ahead and check for sure. This is going to be, it's supposed to be 1 3/16. That's 30.2 millimeters. So we're going to go type 30 and then 0.2, enter. And then we want to come over here. I want that to be a complete point. So I want it to come up a little bit. So we'll do, we'll go to right there, 130. And then we'll come straight down. So we want it to be, want to have a little bit of height to it. So let's go to get to trim away, trim that. And then we're going to extrude this. So let's see what our extrusion thickness is. 1 9/16. So let's see here. Let me just do a quick conversion. Let's see, that's 25.4 millimeters roughly. So we could do 26. Okay, so we're going to go back to here. Let's go to the 3D mode. Let's go ahead and spin this, and let's go to pull. And we're going to click there and just type 26. All right. So I'm not going to copy theirs exactly. I wouldn't want to do that. But we're going to go ahead, instead of making this completely round here, we're just going to do it a little bit. So we'll go ahead and go to pull, and then we'll just click there, and then we're going to drag a pretty good fillet there, maybe 7. So we'll type in 7, and then we'll do one on the bottom there, 7. Okay, so our wedge is going to be like this. And now what I want to do, instead of putting those circles there, I'm just going to go ahead and do offset here. Let's go to 3D, and then we'll just offset this. Offset. Why isn't that working? All right, let's just go to the 3D mode. Let's click here. Go to plan view, and then we'll go ahead and get our offset. All right, I'm going to offset that 4 millimeters. So just type 4 there, and then we'll do this same 4 there, and then we're going to offset this one over 4, and then do these 4 as well, and that bottom one 4. So just type in 4. All right, we're going to do kind of a little bit different. Go ahead and get our trim away. Never want to copy someone's design exact, so we're just going to do our own version of this. So let's create rounded corners. We're going to click from there to there. Let's just put in, I don't know, maybe 1.5. All right, so this part here will be more flexible than over here. All right. Well, it's not too bad, but I want to put some braces in here. So let's go ahead and get our line tool. And then we're going to put a brace. Let's put one here. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do offset on that. And then we'll do a 2 millimeter offset, and then we'll do the other side 2 millimeters. So we have kind of a break in the middle here. Let's do Control Plus on the keyboard so we can zoom in a little bit, and then we'll pan over. Now I'm going to get this create corner here, and then we'll go, actually undo that. We'll go from here, undo that. Let's click off. Let's go select this one first, and then go to here. I don't want that line to delete there. Yeah, I didn't want it to do that. So let's get our trim away that piece there. And then now we can go ahead and do the create corner. I guess it doesn't matter. We'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll get our line tool, and then we'll just redo this line here. Select to click off. All right, so now we have this. So now we're going to go ahead and delete. Let's get rid of that one and get rid of this one here. Now we're going to add our corners. So get the corner rounder, create corner, rounded corner. Let's just do 2 there, and then do this one, 2, and then do these 2 millimeter and this one 2. Okay, so now we have this shape here. So let's go ahead and go Control minus. Let's go to the 3D mode. Let's spin this. All right, now I want to pull these all straight through. So just go ahead and hold down Control to get both of those. Come over here and select your cut, and then just drag these straight through. All right, so this is going to be our door wedge. Now I want to put in some grooves in here, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this a little bit differently than I would normally do. Let's go ahead and spin. I'm going to go ahead and select that face and go to plan view. Let's spin that. All right, so we're going to go select the face, go to plan view, and I'm going to put a series of lines in here. So we're going to get our line, and maybe we'll start right here. We'll go down to there. Then I'm going to go move. We're going to select that face, come over here to create pattern, and I'm going to drag that over to here. Let's do tab. Let's move this over exactly 106. And then on the count there, we're going to put in 20. See what that looks like. Yeah, 20 is pretty good. All right, so now we'll go ahead and select the click off. Now let's go ahead and rotate this. Now we're going to go to the cylinder, and we're going to put our own little grooves in there. 0.9, but what we're going to do, let's go ahead and select all of these. Just hold down Control. Make sure you just get the line and not the square. Okay, select all your lines. Suppose you could drag a marquee around that, but we'll just do it this way for now. All right, so we'll just do these. I don't think I need this last one. I'm going to just stop there. So now what we're going to do is come up here to your cylinder, and now we're going to, but we're going to do cut. We're going to make sure that that cut's selected, and then we want to do just a small little cut, maybe 1 millimeter, and then click there. Okay, so now we have our little notches in there. That should work pretty good. And now we're going to add some fillets to this. So just do Control plus. Let's get our pan and pan over. Now we're going to go ahead and add some fillets to this. Let's go ahead and grab that. Let's add a fillet there. Let's do 0.4. Okay. And then we'll do the same over here. Type in 0.4. All right. So now we're going to go spin this around to the other side. Go to pull. We'll just do click there and type in 0.4. All right. Now grab that one. Type in 0.4. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and let's get these. Let's round these. Type in 0.4. And then this one here, 0.4. All right, now let's get these. Let's type 0.4 there. All right, let's spin. That looks pretty good. I want the bottom to be flat. So, and then I want to put, let's go ahead and multiple click on that, do 0.4 there. Okay, I want a little bit of a fillet in there. And then you'll have to do it on all of these. 0.4. I think that's going to be good. 0.4. Yeah, just we'll go continue upward on this. 0.4. This should go pretty quick. Just 0.4. Just make sure you're just selecting the parts that you need. .4. And then I think that's pretty much all I'm going to do to this door stopper here. Okay, just a few more to go. Yeah, and you don't want to do anything to the bottom because it's supposed to be flat, so might not be a good idea to add any kind of stuff to the bottom, so we'll just leave it alone. All right, just have these last two to go, 0.4, and then, okay, I think this is going to be it. I'm not sure if this one needs a chamfer or not right there instead of a fillet, but hopefully that's going to be enough clearance to get you through at least the first couple of notches if you need to have them that. All right, make sure this is all good. Okay, so this is pretty much going to be flexible from here on. You're going to want to print this with a rubber, not the plastic. Plastic will be too brittle. We probably could put a little window right here if you wanted to, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just leave it like this. Let's go ahead and go to trimetric, and then we'll do select all. Let's go to rotate, and then grab the red here. Rotate this over 80 degrees. Let's type in 80. Okay, and then we're going to grab that green, rotate it all the way around. 180. Type 180 there. Okay, and then control minus. So this is going to be our, excuse me, our door stopper. Don't need that there. We can get rid of that. Let's go to select. Excuse me. Hit delete. Actually, is that a line that I left in, or is that part? It looks like that's part of the design. Okay, so this is going to be our door stopper. Not going to do anything else to it. Just go ahead and print this with rubber, and then should be fine. it'll be the tip will be flexible here, and then this will be that'll be good there. I'm thinking about maybe putting a little lanyard right here so you could hang it up, but I'm not really sure I need to do that. Well, I guess we could. We might as well. All right, let's do that. Let's go ahead and click that face there. Go to plan view. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Let's go ahead and let's just do the rectangle here from center. Make sure define from center is checked. I'm just going to draw a rectangle here for the lanyard loop. All right, we'll do a 2 millimeters by 8 millimeter. Go like that. Let's go ahead and spin this. Let's go to pull. Let's pull that up. Let's undo that. Let's do this like 12. Pull 12. And then we'll spin this. Oh, maybe 12 is too big. Undo that. 2 undos. 12. Let's just do 6. Okay, 6 should be fine. Maybe a little bit more. Let's do 10. 6, 7, 8. Do 8. Okay, so we got 8 millimeters there. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our create rounded corner. We're gonna pull this. Actually, let's Control plus to zoom in. Grab our pan tool, and then we'll go to create rounded corners. We're gonna round that corner right there. I don't know why it's not rounding. Let's go to there. Let's go to pull. All right. Let's do this 3 millimeters, and then round this one 3. All right. Now let's go ahead and put a little fillet right there. So this isn't a weak spot. 0.25. Now let's go grab these. 0.25. All right. Do the same on this side. 0.25. Enter. All right, let's go ahead and spin that. So you're going to be able to hang this up. So let's go ahead and go to here, click that face, hit the plan view, grab a circle tool, go from the middle there. I think 3 millimeter will be good. And then we're going to go back to 3D mode. Let's spin this. Let's go ahead and pull this straight through. All right, let's pan over, grab that pan tool, move it over. And then we're going to do fillet here. 0.33. And then this one here, type 0.33. All right, that's going to be our door stopper. Let's go to trimetric. Let's make sure that that is good. So what you'll do is just put a little carabiner through there, or maybe a loop, then a carabiner, and then you can hang this up maybe on the back of the door or something. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got some useful tips out of this video. And as always, thanks for watching.